Hi everyone, this is a quick video to explain how to do the Tableau Upgrade Testing using DataOps Suite BI Validator. To begin with, we need a data source. Click on Add Data Source or go to Sources menu and create a Tableau connection. We recorded different video to explain the same. We can follow the steps once you have your Tableau data source established. Now, go to Data Flows and create a data flow. Select the required engine and save the data flow. Then create a Tableau Upgrade component and select the required Tableau data sources. Respective site ID for the sources, if present, will automatically be populated. There will be advanced options and comparison options available. Users can select these options as per the requirement or else they can keep them as default. Click on Next to add views. The views can be added from the workbooks present in the Tableau data source. From the workbooks, the required page can be selected. Once selected, if user wants to use region exclusion or edit filters or parameterize them, they can do it in Filters window or else leave by default. Click on Report B. The same report would be loaded. If required, users can apply any filter to see the report change, or they have the control to select the exact report which they would like to define here and compare it to the previous report. Again, for the selected reports in Report B, the filters can be applied or parameterized as well. If not required, they can go ahead and run the results. The results will point out the differences between Report A and Report B based on the selected mode, which is either text or appearance. If users want to know more about Tableau Upgrade Testing, they can get the information from help.datagaps.com.
For further questions, feel free to reach contact@datagaps.com. Scan the below QR code for free demo. Thank you.